Hello and welcome to another uMake tutorial. In the second part of how to create a necklace tutorial series, we are actually going to take this piece right here and make a necklace out of it. So I created this kind of organic looking piece in the first lesson, basically by just drawing a bunch of curves between two horizontal lines, and this creates something that is somewhat organic and a little bit interesting. And you could imagine this as something that's kind of like laser cut or etched, and that will be chained together and that will create a choker of some sort. So to start off, I've moved this and it's kind of on the edge of this circle here. I'm going to scale it down just a little bit. I think that looks a little bit more appropriate. There we go, yeah. And with that, what I want to do is actually I'm going to make the links for it. And I'm going to add a couple more elements to it. So the first thing I want to do is I kind of want to add some things to the edge. I think it'll look a little bit nicer. So I'm going to come in and create a circle and then turn copy on and bring this down and split that. And this is going to do something like that. And as you can see, this drew on a different plane. So I'm actually going to do that on sketch plane. So I'll just actually tap right here so I can draw on the same plane, and I'll draw the circle again and then copy up. Turn copy on. There we go. Get rid of this. Scale this down just a little. Oh, don't want to do that. Make sure copy is off. Scale this down just a little bit and bring this over like that. Now I'm going to make some copies again. Just bring this over. There we go. That looks pretty nice. Oh. And I'm going to just select these and actually copy them down below like that. Turn copy off, move them over just a little bit. Like that, and I might need one more over here. Come on. Select the surface. If you select the surface, it's the easiest way to make a copy. So I'll just, yeah, well, I'll move this one over and then make a copy. There we go. Perfect. Looks pretty nice like that. So those are kind of the edge pieces there. Now what I want to do is I'm just going to select everything and I'm going to give it a material. I'm going to come over here and make it gold. And when I do that from the front view, you won't see it, but that actually looks really nice like that. From here, I want to draw two little circles. And I'm going to actually make a sketch plane right about here. Tap and hold to get a sketch plane. And then go to the top view. And I'm going to draw a little circle. Scale this down just a little bit. Up. Bring this over like that. This is going to be the thing that links each element together. So I'm just going to move the other one over here a little bit. Hopefully, yeah, that should work. Okay, and I'm going to select this curve here and extrude it up. Like that. Bring them over, let's see. Something like that, yeah. And I'll do the same thing. Now, I can just already anticipate where this needs to go, so I'm going to move it over a little bit. And now I can extrude it straight up. There we go. Make those gold as well. And now our piece has some trim on the edges and these little parts that will link it together. All right, so we're going to stop here or pause here for now. And in the next section, we're actually going to take this and build an array around it. And this is going to create the overall look of the choker. I hope you guys like this. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback for us, definitely let us know. And we can't wait to see what you create. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and here on YouTube. All right, stay tuned for the next section. Take care, guys.